Good afternoon, friends. First of all, I would like to mention to everyone that for the last few days, there's been a lot of tension in North Tripura, Kanchanpur. Letters have been exchanged between the Chief Minister of Mizoram to the Chief Minister of Tripura. There's been protests, and I wanted to give my view and my reaction to this. First of all, let me make it very clear that the most upsetting part about this entire thing, सबसे आश्चर्यजनक जो बात हुआ है इस exchange में है कि the Mizos and the Tiprasa people, when I say Tiprasa, Riangs and all the other communities as well, are upset with this land redistribution. बहुत लोग नहीं जानते हैं, and let me tell this to all my friends from Jampuy Hills as well. There is a campaign to divide the Tiprasa people. There is a campaign to divide people from Jampuy Hills with the rest of Tripura. And let me assure you one thing, and I'm saying this so that you would understand better in English. Why would we want to grab something which was given to you by our ancestors? That means there is no contention that we gave you that land to the Silo family. And we have a lot of respect for the Silo family and the Mizos who live in Jampuy Hills. So why should we take back something we have given you? We have given you as a gift. We don't want to take a gift back. The people who are interested in creating a divide between the Mizos and the Tripuris are the same people who tried to create a divide when Citizenship Amendment Act happened also. But that time they failed. When they failed, they realized that since we cannot create an atmosphere of hostility, let us sit behind and let the Mizos and the Tiprasa people fight. And ye politics mein, you've got into it, some of our people have got into it, and the people who are laughing are the ones who are the people behind it. When a Mizo and a Riang fights, the happiest people are not the Mizos and the Riangs, it is somebody else. The Chief Minister's letter of Mizoram, which was sent to the Tripura Chief Minister. First of all, I have two questions. मेरा दो सवाल है. When a Chief Minister sends a letter to another Chief Minister, how is it shared in social media? Who shared this letter? Was it from the Chief Minister's office of Mizoram? Then there should be an inquiry. Was it from the Chief Minister's of Tripura's office? Then there should be an inquiry. But a personal communication between two Chief Ministers, two of the highest authorities in the state, is shared in social media, means somebody wanted that letter to be leaked to create tension. Now, who wants to create that tension is to be investigated. But an inquiry should happen. How come a Chief Minister's letter to another state's Chief Minister's letter is shared in social media when it's a private correspondence between two Chief Ministers? Now, मैं आपको दो तीन चीज बोलना चाहता हूं. जब ये ब्रू अकॉर्ड साइन हुआ, हिंदुस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, हिंदुस्तान के होम मिनिस्टर ने, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ने ऑफ मिजोरम एंड त्रिपुरा और मैं, हम सब इस डिस्कशन में शामिल थे. आज ब्रू त्रिपुरा में ही रहेगा, ये हमारे ब्रू शरणार्थी को कोई बाहर नहीं रख सकते त्रिपुरा से, ये गारंटीड बात है. और जो भी जिनको भी लगता है कि इस सिचुएशन से लेकर हम ब्रू को रिहेबिलिटेशन पैकेज नहीं देंगे इफ यू डोंट, तो वो गलत फहमी में है, क्योंकि ब्रू का हा त्रिपुरा में है और त्रिपुरा में ही रहेगा। ये एक विषय है। सेकंड बात है कि जम्पुई हिल्स में मीजोज की कोई आशंका है कि उनका जमीन उनसे लिया जाएगा, उनका एरिया उनसे लिया जाएगा। लैंड सर्च कमेटी में मैं भी हूं, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू टेल ऑल माई मीजोज, माई बिलवेड मीजोज ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, that under no circumstance will I allow any Mizo's land to be taken away by the government. And if anyone wants to take away your land, it is not the Brus. It is the government which is identifying the lands. It is not the Brus. ये ब्रू का गलती नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट ने लैंड आइडेंटिफाई किया है। आप ब्रू के ऊपर अपना एंगर क्यों निकाल रहे हैं? अगर कल ब्रू बोलेगा कि मुझे अगरतला में चाहिए और गवर्नमेंट दे देगा, तो इट इज नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ द ब्रूज, इट इज द फॉल्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट कि आप किसी को हटा के कर रहे हैं। तो योर एंगर शुड बी अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट, नॉट अगेंस्ट द कम्युनिटी। वो कम्युनिटी हैज डन नथिंग टू यू। द कम्युनिटी, द ब्रू पीपल हैव नो पावर ऑल्सो टू से मुझे जम्पुई में चाहिए, मुझे यहां में नहीं चाहिए। दे हैव नो पावर। द पावर रेस्ट्स विद द गवर्नमेंट। सो वट एवर एंगर दैट यू हैव, don't take it out on the Bru people. Take it out on the government if you are not satisfied with it. And in the land search committee, there is a member from Tipra. I request the government, मैं अपना जगह दे देता हूं, let a Mizo come and say this is okay, this is not okay. I have no problem. I'll give my space in that land committee. But please realize that this is politics. And people who are doing this are playing politics between the Mizos and the Tiprasas. And the Mizo people and the Tiprasa people are falling into a trap. Another letter came. News reports are coming. I have spoken to my Mizos brothers and sisters. And I've said, why are you under any threat? There is no threat. It is non-negotiable that we have gifted you that land to the Silo family. Why would we want to take back a land we gifted? That is not in our culture, that when we gift someone, we take it back. But please also realize that I feel very bad when some of your leaders sit in the same platform and do press conferences with those same people who want me to be in jail. They want to show me black flags when I go to Kanchanpur, and yet you all sit in the same podium. My enemy's enemy is not my friend, and my enemy's friend is also not my enemy. That should be your attitude. Learn to engage in a conversation. Don't sit with wolves because today it suits you, because tomorrow your land, your culture, your language, everything will be under threat if you are sleeping with the enemy. So I take high offense to some of your leaders talking and holding press conferences with people who are against the Tiprasa people, who are against the indigenous people's interest. When Citizenship Amendment Act happened, we stood with the Mizos brothers and sisters, and we fought against it, and we will fight, God willing, till our last breath, because we want to protect our land. But today, you want to join hands with the same people who wanted the Citizenship Amendment Act passed, and you do press conferences. Please also look at your own actions. Of course, I will tell my Tiprasa people, do not react the way you are reacting in social media. Be patient, be mature. I will tell my people, but you should also tell your leadership that this is not the way to move ahead. Third point, मैंने रिपोर्ट देखा है न्यूज में, आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स एक्यूरेट, आजकल तो मीडिया भी बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के सेंसेशनल न्यूज भी करती है. मीडिया इज ऑल्सो नोन फॉर सेंसेशनलिज्म. बट द मीडिया has said that the Chief Minister of Mizoram has said that Jampui is a traditional homeland, belongs to Mizoram. From whatever little I know about Mr. Zoramthanga, he is a former underground leader. He is a politician, but he is not a historian. So don't teach us history. Please don't teach us history. And please allow us to live peacefully with our Mizo people. Because if you start raising these issues, then there will be many of the people from Tripura who will say Mamit also belongs to Tripura. And then you will पूरा बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे आप. ऐसे तरीके से राजनीति नहीं चलता है. And I am warning, मेरा चेतावनी है कि anyone who tries to create a communal disharmony between the Mizos and the Riang people or our Chakma people in Tripura will not be spared. We are a peaceful state. We want to live peacefully with all communities. And we definitely don't want to exclude any community. If you have any questions, please ask me. लेकिन मैं आपको फिर से बोलना चाहता हूं, and I'm telling this for the final time to our Mizos, our Riangs, our Chakmas, our Tiprasa people. ये politics है, ये politics है. This is dirty politics. Divide and rule का politics है. They tried to fight with our people first in December and January. When they failed during the Citizenship Amendment Act, now they have sitting behind and they're making the Mizos and Tiprasa fight. Nobody will win in this fight. And I'm assuring my Mizo people, what is your land is your land. We don't want it. I am guaranteeing you that. And the Riang people are not the ones behind this. It is the government which has identified the land. अगर आप खुश नहीं हैं तो ये गुस्सा गवर्नमेंट से निकालिए, हमारे रियांग के ऊपर मत निकालिए, हमारे तिपरासा के ऊपर मत निकालिए. ये गवर्नमेंट है. और मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं कि दो चिट्ठी, एक चिट्ठी जो एक देश एक राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री दूसरे राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री को लिखता है, वो सोशल मीडिया में लीक कैसे होता है, इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. या फिर मिजोरम के चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस से लीक हुआ है या फिर अपने त्रिपुरा के चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस से लीक हुआ है. लेकिन जो भी लीक हुआ है ये आग लगाने का बात है. दिस हैज टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड. एंड जो भी बुबागरा को काला झंडा दिखाएगा कंचनपुर में या बोलेगा कि मुझे जेल जाना है, उसके संग अगर आप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करोगे तो मैं ऐसे लोगों के संग इंगेज नहीं करूंगा. आप उन लोगों से हटिए. प्लीज गेट आउट ऑफ दोज पीपल्स हैंड्स and come and talk to me one-on-one. We will get a solution. Solution will only happen if the people sit across the table and speak honestly, under the name of God, not under flags, under banners, under demands. Learn to love thy neighbor. That is the first word in Bible. First, learn to live thy people within your state. That is what I'm appealing to all our friends in Jampui district. I love all of you all. I have been always treated very well, whether it was in Wangmun, whether it was all across Jampui. We have a very strong relationship with the Saido family. We respect the Saido family. And please do not spoil hundreds of years of relations because of a few politicians and because of petty-mindedness. I'm appealing to all of you all that we are Tipra and we are one, we are united. और हम लोग जवाब देने भी जानते हैं, लेकिन हम जवाब प्यार से देंगे. आप हमसे प्यार से बात कीजिए और इन पॉलिटिशियन के हाथ में मत गिरिए. And I have seen some comments इस कमेंट्स में आप बंगाली के खिलाफ भी बहुत बोल रहे हैं, बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट किया है। आप खुद लड़ते हो और तब आप किसी और को ब्लेम करते हो। गलती हमारे अंदर भी है। वाई आर यू ब्लेमिंग अ बंगाली फॉर समथिंग which is happening in one part of Tripura? This is not the fault of Bengali. It is also our own fault that we are emotional, we are gullible, and we fall prey. It is the politicians. And politician का कोई जात नहीं होता, कोई धर्म नहीं होता, उनका सिर्फ उनका ईमान भी नहीं होता है. Most of them. So please, I have seen the comments. Some comments are here which are against a certain community, namely the Bengalis. Do not speak against the Bengalis. We have to solve our problems on our own. Stop finding blame in others. अगर हम बेवकूफ है तो कोई जो बेवकूफ बनाता है वो उनका गलती नहीं, गलती हमारा है. एंड थंचा का ये मतलब नहीं होता कि किसी से नफरत करो. थंचा का मतलब होता है एकता, एक दूसरे से प्यार करो. लव ईच अदर, बी यूनाइटेड, फाइट फॉर प्रॉस्पेरिटी. Corona is the problem. We should be thinking about getting jobs. We should be thinking about reviving our economy. We should be thinking about better hospitals, better schools. Not politics and ADC elections. ये सब elections के लिए हो रहा है. And Paramita Riyang, you have said dirty politics of communists. Let me tell you, त्रिपुरा में कोई communist नहीं है. त्रिपुरा में कोई कांग्रेस बीजेपी नहीं है. त्रिपुरा में तिपरासा है. पहले तिपरासा को देखिए, कम्युनिस्ट को, कांग्रेस को, बीजेपी को छोड़िए. पुइला जाति उलो पार्टी, उसी का मतलब है. और मैं लास्ट में अपील करता हूं, आई अपील टू एवरीवन, जवाब देना हम भी जानते हैं, लेकिन प्यार से जवाब देंगे. और अपने मीजों को मैं आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि उनकी जमीन, उनकी लैंग्वेज, उनकी कल्चर में कोई खतरा नहीं है. और अगर आप नाखुश हैं, फेस टू फेस मिलिए. मैं अपना जगह लैंड सर्च कमेटी में हटके आपको दे दूंगा, आप आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. लेकिन डोंट फॉल इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियंस एंड द डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी. बेलाइनो हम्बाई, धन्यवाद, खुलुमखा.